And in today's video we take a closer look at the Defcon TD1001 folding knife. That's knife collector here. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Henk. Topquest Incorporated is an American knife brand. They produce a lot of historical swords, Japanese katanas, that kind of stuff. They import, they let produce, they manufacture, it's kind of a trading company. And I got familiar with this company last year when I saw a strange knife for me, and that's the Pruilia. And I bought one on a mass drop deal and I was quite surprised. It came in a nice package. A very nice box with pouch, tool, reversible clip for the left side carry, the paperwork. And this is the Pruilia TD1001, and this one comes in a lot of variations, colors. There's also the TX020 model, also in a lot of configurations and colors. And I was very surprised with this one, very positive. And when I was at the IWA show 2017, I saw the booth or stall from Topquest, so I figured it was interesting to pay them a visit, because this brand is not known in Europe very well. And I talked a little bit with the owners, and I did an interview with Sam, one of the owners of Topquest, and that video I uploaded last week. And this is the newest model they designed, and this is the TD1001. It's a very modern folding knife, top quality materials. It's a titanium frame, titanium scales, titanium frame lock with a F35 VN blade steel. And this is from their product line Defcon. They also have quite some fixed blades in this line, and this is the first folding knife in this line. And the other line is the Pruilia. So and I was touched by this design. Very nice. It's a big knife, it's heavy. I think it weighs, I don't have a scale with me here, but I think it weighs over 200 gram or 6 ounce, but I'm not very sure. It are big titanium slabs with milled out pockets to save on the weight, otherwise it was even heavier. And then steel hardware, very nice pattern milled out in the scales. Great fit and finish. I don't know where these are produced, but the manufacturer does a great job. Very nice pocket clip, very functional as well. over travel stop, steel insert, jimping where you can engage or disengage the frame lock. Great action, very well centered, no blade play. Very functional jimping on the thumb ramp. And the blade itself is a very nice design. Very useful design for common EDC tasks, but also for tactical use. Very nice groove, swedge. The manufacturer really did a great job on this blade. Very thick stop pin. Very nice round off. So the forces are distributed very well. Ergos. Very good. Draw grip, very good. Reverse grip, very good. Although you feel the pattern, the edges, the corners, but nothing to be bothered about. Let me put in some data. Overall length is 22.8 centimeter. Blade length is 10 centimeter. Overall length in inches is 9 inch. And the blade length 4 inch. So it's a big knife. Let me compare it with the W617. It's a little bit longer as the W617. Very smooth. I don't know if these are steel bearings or ceramic bearings, but my guess is ceramic bearings because it's very, very smooth. This knife, I will make it available for a pass around, and I will do a thorough review with the knife in use. But my first impressions are very positive about this knife. I think this knife is meant to use with gloves, because you can feel the frame in your hand. Maybe you can get hot spots when you use it for a long period with cutting or slicing. I don't know yet. But there are a lot of spots I can feel in my hands. Like this portion here. But man, I like this knife. I like this design very much. So the Defcon TD1001. Pay attention to this company. Also because of the Proelia line. This is a very nice budget-friendly line. I don't know which this will, with what the pricing of this knife will be. But I found out there are distributors in Northern America, and those are Blue Ridge Knives and Motang. Those are distributors, but of course business to business. So I guess you have to write them an email or make them a phone call to ask which resellers or dealers will sell this knife. I've not seen it available yet at the dealers. And for Europe, the distributor will be Battle Merchant in Germany. And the owner of Battle Merchant promised me that he will receive the Defcon line very soon. It's on the way to Germany. Not yet in their web shop available, but it will be very soon. So later on I will do a thorough review on this knife, and I hope I can provide some more information. If I get some more information, I will do an update on the availability and the pricing in another video very soon. So let me know what you think of this knife. I like it. I like it very much. So don't forget to like this video, to share it with your friends. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. That's it for now. Bye bye.